Ever had an electrician leave you with more problems than solutions? Well, that's exactly what happened here, and trust me, it's a total nightmare. Faulty sockets, dodgy spurs, switches that don't work. You name it, it's all here. But don't worry, in today's video, we're going to fix these messes and get everything working safely. Stay tuned as we turn this disaster into a job well done.
Okay, so today we had an electrician come to this property and start some work and left it in a defective way.
Oh,
so
no!
we're here today to get it right. Come and look at this.